Okay, we're gonna jump right in because I forgot to film an intro. So we're gonna start with dirty hair and a comb, bobby pins, smoothing brush, clips, and first we're gonna section off that front section. I'm gonna use that as my bangs later. So just pin that out of the way, get it out of the way for now. Okay, and so now we're gonna work on teasing the rest of the hair. So, or back combing, whatever you want to call it. I take about a 1 inch section and I separate it and back comb it, working all the way up to the ends on this one, just because I want a lot of volume for our beehive. And I also want to be able to have something to pin into. I'm going to work all the way down the middle section, and then we're going to come back and work on the side sections. Get it nice and crazy. Alright, now that you have it big and crazy, I'm going to take my smoothing brush and just carefully smooth over the top layer, feeling and moving as you need to. I decided this one section was a little too flat, so I'm using my What a Tease back comb in a bottle by Big Sexy Hair and spraying a couple of sections and again, back combing right into it. It really helps keep that fullness. Okay, now we're going to smooth again, just a little bit. Literally softly over the top, using your hands to smooth if needed as well. And pin it back just however makes sense. I'll show you the back in a second. So again, smoothing just gently, holding with your hand. Slide a pin in, smooth around with your hands as needed, and your brush. Making sure it's even. And as you can see in the back, I just kind of crisscrossed the pins on the very back of my head. Now we're going to work on the last section, so I'm going to pull it all off to the side and pin in a straight line up to the middle of my head to create, to start the French twist in the back. So as you can see, the pins go straight up back of my head. Now for the other side, we're going to smooth it. And I use my hand a lot for this, and I twist it around and tuck it under and then use my bobby pins to secure it into that first line of bobby pins that were already there. That's what they're there for, the foundation. And adjust and move the pins as needed. Once you have that all done, go ahead and use your brush and smooth as needed, tucking anything back that needs to be tucked back. And there you have the almost finished product. So now we're going to move on to those bangs. So I parted mine off to the side because that's typically how they do it. And again, using that back comb in a bottle, I'm teasing my bangs up a little bit. Again, gently smoothing them down with my smoothing brush, using my hand to mold and shape them to where they need to be. Spreading them, pulling, whatever makes sense. I tried tucking it behind my ear, but that didn't work out so well, so I decided to take a bobby pin and just slide it into my hair to hold that hair back, and using a little hairspray to hold it as well. Now onto the other side, doing the same thing, just using my hands and my smoothing brush to smooth it down, sliding that bobby pin in just so you can't see it, and making sure it's all laying smoothly. Okay, to finish, I'm using my Stay and or Play and Stay or something like that. Big Sexy Hair hairspray. It's got a lot of oomph to it. It keeps the hair all day long. And here's our finished look. A very simple yet elegant beehive. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.